Alright folks, here's our Alcort Super Sailfish Jaja. Put on the bow handle today, and the little keel strip that wraps underneath goes back about 16 inches. Bow line's attached. Put on the mast collar. Attached it with 4 screws. They're screwed down into the deck longeron, and the halyard cleat. This boat also came with a splashguard, so we reattached that. Put a coat of varnish on the handrails, and also attached the eye straps and the bridle back on the stern. So she's ready to go. Working on the dagger board. Some of these dagger boards are a little too thick for that slot. We've got one that does work. We've got another one I'm going to work on. It's just a little bit longer. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just stay with the shorter one. It sailed fine with it earlier. There's the stern, and I think I can say she's the hull at least is finished. Here's all the mast and the gaff and the boom. It's ready. I think I used this shorter dagger board right here last time with good results, so that's ready. So there she is, Alcort Super Sailfish Jaja, hanging out with the sunfish Chip behind her. Chip will get a bottom next to the paint job, and here's the standard Sailfish Winnie, the 11-foot 7-inch model, and sleeping, snoozing comfortably under his boat cover is the 1953 Alcort Sunfish Zip. Trying to make up new words. Hope y'all having a great day. Well, Happy New Year.